London, New York, snap. Yeah, Macdicator the map. Yeah.
Good evening. Wow, it's been a minute. How's everybody doing? Well, tonight I got a special treat for the channel. We're gonna actually have my son come on and trade. He just actually recently graduated high school. Super proud of him to do so. I think he's gonna be trading the NQ. Got him on a 50K. So we'll see if we can't make something happen. Let's quickly go into the economic calendar before he gets here, and the fear and greed index, and then I'll get the YouTube pulled up. We got fear at 34. Again, when people are fearful, be greedy. Kind of one of those situations where you looking for that long back to all-time high. Maybe. Let's see what we got on the economic calendar tonight. Let's see what we got. The economic calendar tonight. Korea's got inflation rate year over year. And then, of course, we have Japan, foreign exchange reserves. And we have India, I believe. That's Indonesia. Foreign exchange reserves. Japan has a 3-month bill auction, and then China takes over. Okay. Reddit folder events tomorrow morning and non-farm payrolls, retail sales, and month-over-month unemployment. So we got that going for us. We're going to head over to the full screen. And we got the ES up right now. We're going to do the NQ review. NQ review. 25,049. Like I said, trade to it, trade from it. It is a number to hit. The Macdicator is giving us quite a bit of indications. Put in your charts there. Put a line at 24,382. 382 flat. We got one tick gap down there. We could want to go clean up. I wouldn't be surprised if we came down there and got that. I wouldn't be surprised if we came up and got 25,229. Put that in your chart as well. Put a nice setup at 229. And then, of course, we'll go up to the 5 minute and see if we have any gaps on the 5. We do have a gap at the 5. 2 tick gap. So this is going to be a little bit more, 266.75. And we have a gap at, looks like right here, 25.411. So if we want to go get that, we'd be shocked to see. Got an inverse head and shoulders on the higher time frame. Sure, that will kind of play out a little bit better. Look at the Macdicator gap down there, bouncing off the 15-minute Macdicator gap. My goodness, 24,364-ish. Look at that gap right there, filled out, this grayed out area here. But imagine if you would have went long there, just held it all night long, all day long. 30-minute, we got, what do we got on the 30-minute on the NQ? Oh, we still have a gap up here, 25,451 on the half hour. And then we got the 1 hour. What do we got? We got gaps just still up, you know, inverse head and shoulders. See that cup handle. We'll see if this handle wants to break out and go up to the pivot, break through this pivot. We'll see on the hourly. So we got that going for us. The daily on the NQ. We have any gaps? We have a gap down here, 23,791. So we'll be right back down there. So I'm gonna introduce you to Hunter Mac. Right now, he's actually gonna be in the driver's seat. So I'm super excited for him to do that. I'm gonna take a side over to the left, and we're gonna get his account set up. We got about 7 minutes before we get started, so I'm gonna introduce Hunter. He just recently graduated high school, super proud of him, and you know, hopefully, you know, he said he wants to become a YouTubing trader. So let's see if he can handle and kick in with it. Feel free to ask him questions, and you know, we get to get moving on it. So I'll get back out of the full screen, and we'll see what we can do. We're in his 50K account, and we'll see how he trades. Let's get some invites over here. Look at the books, Tails, book maps. Let's see here. We're gonna see if we can't get some of our NQ buddies over from the book maps. Book maps. Hit the like button. You so dare. So you get to see his reaction. This is the first time he's actually be trading a Lucid Pro. He's going to be trading a prop firm. My son is going to be taking us to the next level here. So I am super excited for him to do so as well. Looks like Alex pulled us in on a live. Cool, we are live. So let's look at some bookies, book maps. We are live, Alex. Alex, thank you so much for providing the book map. Shout out to LiveAlexTWB for giving us that beautiful service that he does every day for us. So hit the like button there too. So we got the book map up. Now I'm going to take a step back and introduce Hunter Mac. Hunter Mac is on the mic. Here we go.
How's it going, guys?
Screen that out. Well, to do that, you just go up here and hit this.
How's it going, guys? I am not a financial advisor at all whatsoever, just to let you guys know. I would like to let you guys know in the beginning of this. So if you guys do follow along in the trades that I do, and we do win, then we win. If we do lose, we lose.
What's up? Think for yourself. How you doing? Got my graduated son here, Hunter Mac. We're gonna get him to trade. He's got a Lucid 50K, so we're gonna watch his reaction trading a prop account tonight.
Let's see how this goes. We gotta wait.
So we got about 4 minutes. Alex been geeking. What's going on? So I got my son Hunter Mac here. We're starting to start the trading game here. Hopefully I can teach him how to be consistent And this is just kind of me showing you that we're going to start taking over this channel together and making this go on. We need 350 to pass. Another eval tonight. Yes, yes, yes. Let's do it for the win.
Let's go.
The fact that I got my kid out here and he's graduated from high school. If you guys want to, you can donate PayPal to his graduation. He just finished it. I got the paperwork. If you guys want to see the quick paperwork and all the signatures of him being done with school, I'm super proud. Senior graduate early from school.
Happy about that.
You know, it's just, you know, it's one of my pride and joys to get my kids to graduate. So this is, for me, it's child number 2 done with high school. So if you want to donate to the cause, $1, $2, whatever,
It'll all help.
It all will help to his graduation. Feel free to do so. Thank you so much in advance.
Yeah.
So what we're doing tonight, Hunter? What are we doing?
We're gonna see if I can pass a trading.
You want to pass?
I want to pass.
He wants to pass.
I want to pass in a day, and I have a lot of confidence in it, but I don't know how tonight's gonna go. But it could go one or two ways. I either put myself in a whiffy spot, or I put myself in a great spot and start off tomorrow.
What are you trading?
Probably gonna trade $2 or two minis instead of 5.
Okay, and
Just to see how everything's gonna go, and then I might switch to 5 depending on how it goes.
okay. Are you trading a Lucid account tonight?
I am.
Okay. And what's going on with Lucid right now? I think I heard they had like a 40% off, 50% off deal for the first time, or like not first time, but just they gave you 50%
They
off.
gave me a
the first
50% off if I went and bought one. Yes, that would have been great, and thank you for that deal.
Yeah.
It was an amazing deal, and it hopefully will start me off.
So you can check out Lucid on our Lucid affiliate.
That over. If you like typing.
No, it's fine. It's supposed to come up immediately when we say it, but Yugima, what's going on, man?
How's
Trying
it
to win
going?
tonight? Stay green. I got Hunter Mac here with us, and you know, we took advantage of the 50% off tonight. You get 2 50% offs and 5 40% off, and we're open.
We're open. Seems like we're open with a. What's it gonna be? Green or red? Can only hope. And I did see that it dropped off earlier today, and then it went up and dropped back down. So let's see what its decisions are gonna be today. This hour.
You need the title that Hunter graduated from high school tonight. Well, the reason I'm so excited is because of him. I think he's gonna start taking over the stream.
Oh, here we go. I think we figured out which way we're gonna go today.
Lauren Mills playing with gold still. Dropped this morning, 65 points in 5 minutes. Hey, he knows.
Yeah, I do. I've been watching that all the time ever since almost 6 months ago.
All right. He's going to be playing with minis. Minis. We're going to see if he can handle it.
Let's see.
So we got the Macdicator gap down there in the green line.
Yeah.
So we can check to see if we can't get to it, or if you want to wait for it to hit first before you enter.
We'll see. If I wait for it to hit, I feel like it might turn around on me. So if I do wait for it to hit, I might just buy some shares
Contract.
or contracts.
So he's still learning, guys. This is going to be his first prop firm trading. So we're going to see how it goes.
But my goal for today is either A, pass pass the test or at least get halfway there. I have seen this before where it turns around at the very last moment where you think when you're going to get in.
You know, I do see that we could possibly come back. We do have the 200 EMA down here at 24,963. And then, of course, we have the Macdicator gap that we could find support on. You know, I mean, I'm checking to see how Hunter's temperature is for entering and exiting a trade and looking for that entry. Getting him into the start of Asia market because of how slow it can be. So he's running on an NQ. So hopefully I'll be standing here with him and obviously analyzing it as we go. But we do have a pivot up here.
Now I'm waiting on that pivot to see what it happens.
Because last time we rejected, right?
We did reject it.
Yeah.
But this time we could go past it. And that's one thing I'm wondering on if it's going to do.
It's very possible.
Because we did take a big hit in the beginning.
Mm-hmm. We took a dip. So why do you think this could go up or down, Hunter?
Well, you ever look at the chart, and all it does is go up and down.
Fair enough.
But for what I think it could happen, I mean, the highs of the day have already hit, maybe, possibly. Looking at it now, it looks like it could be still climbing.
It could. No FOMO.
No.
All right, think for yourself. Long on the ES. Let's effing go. We're all adults here.
Just like that.
Rejected.
Rejected it. So I don't know if it's going to reject it again. If it does, I might buy in and see how far it goes.
You might go long or you might go short.
I might go short.
You might go short.
See how low it can go.
How many points do you want to I mean, the current stop loss and take profit is 10 point stop loss and a 15 point take profit. That's a 3 to 2.
3 to 2 ratio.
2 to 3 risk reward. 2 to 3. So you're risking 2 to make 3.
And it looks like it just came back and it broke it.
Right. Yep. Found support.
Found some support on there. Oh, now it's coming. See if the drop off will be here. I'm feeling it might go down.
How you doing? You getting nervous?
Getting a little nervous. I haven't taken my first trade yet, but
is the mouth getting dry? Heart beating?
Yeah.
Kind of excited to see what it does?
I just glad to be here. I'm glad to graduate.
Yeah.
No longer being there. How's it going for all the new viewers? My name is Hunt Mac. Let's see if I make the right decisions.
We'll see. We'll see. What kind of setup are you looking for? What are you looking for, Hunter?
Well, I'm looking for it to tell me. I'm looking for either a handle of upside down face or maybe just in general a mouth and eyes and mouth.
Okay. So this is opening price, this blue line right here.
Yep.
And this is the mean. This is the middle of the session currently. So this is the low and this is the high.
We haven't broke it yet.
Okay, so this is that setup there.
Yep.
You know, if you want to watch it a little bigger, we can.
It does help a lot.
Yeah. And then of course I got it set up over here. We can.
I think I might go with puts.
What's up, Becco?
Puts.
How's it going, man? Long time no see.
I think I might go with puts.
All right, he wants to go with puts. Where are you trying to go in them puts? What do you see that there's a put possibility?
I think we could possibly come back down to right here.
Where's here? 34?
Yeah, 34.25.
To what?
And then I could see it coming up to 55.
Okay, so that would be a long.
It would be a long, going long.
Okay. Now place your order if you want.
Placing order there.
Set your
and moving
TP
that
to 55.
55.
Yeah, that's a nice bet if you can get in on it. Yep, it always comes back.
I'll move it there.
And he's in.
And I'm in.
And what we do from here is...
And I'm in a trade. Now, I'm up $300 and something already. Well, that was fast.
Are you sure you want to take it at 55? 30 seconds.
I'll give it my benefit of the doubt. I have seen it go down and I've seen it go up. I think I'm gonna keep it at 55. I might move it down to 50. I think that might be the better bet.
Yeah, you might get there. You might. Because it bounced off the pivot.
It did bounce off the pivot.
Okay, and previous close was 25.49.50.
Yep.
So we'll see if we
go
get
to,
it.
We might go to previous close, and if so, that would be amazing because that would be what I asked for.
All right, he's running a 10-point stop loss on this trade. He's in at 25.029. So he's looking for about 30 or 21 points. 21 points here. He's looking for a quick
that's not
scalp
too much
into
to
it.
ask.
Two minis. I have a feeling that we're half a point off on the particular TP, but we'll see, won't we? We will see.
We will
if we
see.
Get up there. We're not out of the woods yet. While you're going through this trade, what are you feeling? We're taking your first trade on the first prop firm.
Right now, I feel like it could go anyway. It could go backwards. It could definitely turn around on me. But right now, I feel confident in the trade that I took, and I believe that we have switched directions on which way we were going, and I believe that we're gonna go start climbing.
So, do we want to do some risk management now? They're 10 points above what you want.
I do. I would move my
Well, slow down.
risk
Stop loss
management
right there.
Stop
Get it above
loss
the blue line
right
if that's what you want to do.
right
break
there.
even.
Break a little even, just so I don't lose anything on this, and we'll see how this goes.
Now, what if it hits your stop loss and then goes to your ideal TP? What are you gonna do then?
We'll figure out when that happens. But to be honest, I should give it a little room to
Okay.
to figure out what's going on.
Oh, took you out one.
Yep,
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You're gonna keep it there?
I'm gonna move this.
That's not the
No,
one
that's
you
not
moved.
the one.
That's the one you moved.
Did it take me out?
It took you out one. That's okay though. It didn't ruin it.
And did I gain anything off it?
No. Commissions is what it costs to take that trade. But it took him out on one.
Took me out on one.
He almost got it. If you would have,
If this trade hits up my stop loss of 45,
TP.
or my TP of 45, it'll be, or 50 would be great. Maybe I should move it down to 45, but from what it looks like, it's all a gamble there at that point right there. But
Looks strong. Let's breeze over real quick. Let's see here. All right, the book has stuff at 50. We got 17 contracts at 50, Hunter. So we got that 17
Yep.
at 50. So this could rip right through, come underneath 50. Like I said, I thought that
Should I add
there was
another
a possibility.
Should I add another one?
Add another one. You certainly can add another one if you like, but you can move this down or keep it right where it is. It looks like it is going to reach for this.
I think it's gonna reach. I think I should buy another.
You want to buy one more? Look at that. He wants to add into his
I'm
position.
adding it into my position.
He's adding into his position, everybody. Back down here at this setup here at 34. He's looking for an add. Let's see if it tests the 9, gets past that 5 EMA on the down and comes right back up to 50. Or
May bum me out. Either one. But every trade is a good trade to me. Because if you're not, you're learning. And if you win, then you learned it.
size up and mash buttons.
Yep. And from what it looks like, it is getting closer to my stop or position, my TP position,
Which is take profit.
which is my take profit.
He's flinching. He's flinching, guys. He's flinching. He's so flinched.
Well, I mean, there's so much pressure. There's people that you don't really know that are watching you, and then you have the money on the line, and then you just don't want to be. Yeah, you don't want to be there, but you want to be above there. You know what I mean?
Yep. 46 rejecting. Could come right back down to his entry there and bounce. There we go. Ooh, so close to his second entry. We're in.
And if it bounced back and it comes back green, hey, we're up money now. But if it does drop, we might be saying the opposite.
50's got quite a bit of orders at it. Looking at the book map, 50 has quite a bit of orders. We got Hunter Mac here trading his first eval. For Lucid, it's a 50K, as you can see, and he's actually trading, he's in 3 minis at the moment, so we hope to get up to the 25,049 price target. If we could bounce here, we could reject and come back down to his stop losses, but it's risk management, and of course, maybe it comes to closing.
Guys.
So
of course, guys, that I would always look at my losses, but also you got to look at your take profits. And this is the reason why I don't get out as soon as I get out, because you never know what way it will possibly go. And I have personally have seen things that sometimes maybe you should have gotten out, and then sometimes just getting out wasn't the greatest option. So I would always like to stick it out and see how it always plays out. But to be honest, if rent money was on the line, I don't know how that would feel.
well, luckily we're in a firm, so hey, other people's money.
Yep.
OPM.
And we're up $400 just like that. But we were just down like $100.
Just like that?
Yeah, just like that.
Oh no. All right, do we get 25,050? 25,050 is the target. Do we get it?
Let's see if we can make 5 G's tonight.
5 G's? No, he just needs 3 to pass. 3 grand to pass.
Yeah, but what's the point of putting 3 in there, but having the extra 2 make sure that you have stable ground?
Because it will automatically send you to a funded account when you pass. So you don't even need to go over 5. But hey, at least you're thinking right. You're thinking right. See, I got him thinking.
I always got to go a little bit above.
The mental's there for sure. The mental thought process for sure. All right, we're kind of channeling off here. Will we get to 50? I don't know.
see how it
It
goes.
wants to test. I think it wants to test that 49.50.
I think it might
50
test
area.
49.50, and if it does, I think it might shoot up to 55. And as soon as 55 hits, I think that might be the caller. Where if either it stops it or it just breaks it and it keeps going.
Struggling here. We need some buyers to come in and this not to curl down.
Most certainly.
So we need to get above what? 25?
25.
Oh, 46.50 is what we got to get above.
Is what we have to get above.
So can we do it? Because of the NQ, what do we got on the NQ? 16 lots up there. Go get it. Go get it real quick. Clean them up.
Go right up there, clean them out.
Clean it up.
And it looks like it might do that.
Maybe. Maybe. You can't reject here. It's got to keep going past 43.25.
But I have seen some rejections that might be not the greatest at times, but I've always seen them rejections turn around.
Yeah, we're waiting. We're waiting.
Back up to 400. And once you look at that, back down to 265. But it's more than what I started out with.
Yes, it is more than what you started out with. Now you have to do some risk management. Now we could get we can get to 50.
Just wait. I personally would like. Yes, I understand that my risk management is risky if I go there, cause no matter what, I mean, yes, I'll take profit on it. I'll hit that there.
Oh, bringing it up to break even.
Breaking even, yes.
Oh, risk management. That's for sure.
So I wouldn't like to lose. Nobody likes to lose, especially to a prop firm. But for all the new viewers, I am Hunter Mac. I did just graduate. If anybody would like to send anything to help me out with my graduation party, you guys can donate to PayPal, or just type in PayPal in the chat and they should bring you right up to what you can to help for donation. Anything helps, 50 cents to $1. Everybody knows what $1 means nowadays, so anything helps.
All right. Do you think it's gonna get to 50? I think we're right there. I think we need to get some buy orders in to.
I think we're just loading. I think we're just sitting there waiting to figure out what's going on. I think they will buy it up. I think just if they would have dropped it, I think they would have dropped it by now. But it is a risky playbook right now.
I was really hoping it'll touch 50. There it is.
There it is. Now, guys, is $500 a good take profit today? It would be amazing. But I think I'm going to push it.
He's holding. He's holding. Let's see what we got.
I think my stop loss or my take profit is at a great spot today, and I believe that I could take that.
See, the conviction in is what he sees, what he feels while he's in the trade. Before we go lower, we got a nice little H pattern coming in here a little bit.
We do.
This is the H. The H patterns are bullish.
Yeah,
So we'll see if we get it. We need a sweep. We need a sweep above. We need a sweep.
Everybody knows how this goes. You get out just at the wrong time, and then it switches around right as you got out. I think I'm gonna be a little risky.
All right, you're gonna TP early.
I'm gonna take a little money if I do leave. It gives kick me out. But I think it's getting a little stable on where it's at. But of course, as soon as I say that, It turns red.
All the kids are here. All right, let's see. 40. Do we get 10 more points?
Let's see if we can get 10 more points. But if not, we take a profit. I can handle that. I can live with that. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh. What's gonna happen here in the last, what, 30 seconds?
No, I don't know. It's
Or is it a minute candle?
It's currently 6:22 p.m. on the Eastern Seaboard, so we'll
Figure it out.
we'll see if it wants to push up for the half-hour candle to go tap 25,050.
And I think here we goes. I believe it might hit 2250, 2550. I think it just might have a push up there. It might be this candle, it might be the next, but we never know. It could turn red. Ooh, just like that.
Just
But any wins are a win. Any take profit.
tell the audience how you're doing. How you feeling? You got some
I'm
dry mouth? You got
Me
the heartbeat?
personally, I'm in the hot seat right now. I feel like my adrenaline is rushing, and I think that it could screw me over right now and my entire mental state. But I believe I'm holding strong on what I believe in. But I think this is a great spot to be in for position, especially just starting.
Oh, moving your stop loss up.
And I'm gonna move it up.
You're done. Well, I could say as a trader, as long time as I've been, I think that that's a little too close for it to breathe and go up and hit your mark.
I think it's gonna go mark him up right there.
All right. So I wouldn't have done that.
Stop film.
Yeah. All done. Okay, so what did he end up on that trade? $136 on the trade. And he's up to $136. Good job. Good job. There's nothing wrong with that, son.
That is not too bad.
Think for yourself.
But
I agree.
I believe that I might have gotten out at the right time.
Well,
But
belief is belief.
We'll find out.
We're opening up on the new 5-minute candle.
New 5-minute candle, and I think I should
Oh, wait. Oh, we're going to get back in the trade.
get back in the trade.
But what are you going to do now? It's rejecting.
I know it's rejecting. I understand that it's rejecting, and it could be the top of the rejection line. And I think it could just be the beginning of it going up.
Okay. Well, patience is key. Flat is a trade, son. No FOMO.
And I did take another trade.
Oh, you're placing a position. We're going short now.
We are going short.
He's gonna blow his account. What did you decide? Why did you decide to go short?
I decided to go short because I did see the turnaround,
Okay.
and I believe in it. I believe the turnaround is here.
Do you think it'll be faster in getting funds than it did
For
up?
sure, I believe every time that it goes down, it goes faster down than it ever does go up. But when it does go up, it does take a lot more out of your profits. Just like that, I'm up $150. I don't believe that I should keep it there. I think I should keep it as is. Keep it there.
You're dropping.
Drop it.
You dropped it. No. Drop the line. Just like that. Speed up. Come coming down to VWAP here. We got the pivot
put it
down
up on
here
P.
at 25.024. So he's at 25.50. We'll see if we bounce here or do anything. I think some risk management for this order here would be
very smart.
I mean, we could essentially
I could
continue. We can continue, that's for sure. But continuation is wanted, obviously. We see if we can't get his first take profit for the night rather than a stop loss. You know, I mean, he made a quick decision to fade the price to go lower. Me personally, I would have went for the Macdicator gap down there, the green line here sticking out on the Trade-A-Bait. We got Macdicator.
We can move it down there.
I personally would have went down to
with
that.
how it's all looking out.
You know, I mean,
that does look like a good baseline, but
it could. Gotta watch the VWAP.
We gotta watch it, see if it does bounce off of it, because if it does bounce off, we could be screwed.
Well, then you have stop loss to break even if this wants to continue higher or.
Yes, but I am not breaking even yet.
Okay.
So.
All right. So it looks like it's rejecting and going lower.
Does look like it'll be a great spot to move down at this point in time. But I have not decided not to.
I'm gonna tell you what, for the viewers, and what I'm feeling is I'm proud. Like, my kid could lose or win, it doesn't matter. He's here trading prop firms, learning how to take trades on a Trade-A-Bait. He's watching the market, understanding that this stuff it moves quickly.
Stop fit.
Hey, and that's why you have a stop loss.
Yep.
Back up to 50 in a flash. Well, that's trading. How are you feeling?
Feel that I could have possibly taken the other way, but
49.50.
I tried.
50, 53, 52.
Damn.
Long. Bottom of the hour, currently 6:29. I wonder, we do have some news possibly, I think, that we could be coming off on right now. No, not really. Nothing really for the news right now, but something happened. Somebody spoke. Got a bunch of buyers in at VWAP there.
And it seems like I did a bad thing of getting out.
You know what? You're
Came
still
back
up $69, son. You're still up $69. And really, essentially, $69 isn't bad. It did hit you what you were doing.
Yeah, it did hit what I wanted to hit, but I wasn't in the trade at that time, which is unfortunate. But I think I might wait for the tippy top, just to catch the ride down. And
I don't think this is ready to come back yet.
And where I think it might be ready to come back is 25.80. What do you think?
Well, hey, that's the beautiful thing about trading. Nobody's gonna make a decision for you. You're gonna make the clicks.
But this could be the buyback.
Okay, buyback. But explain buyback in your terms.
My terms is that they just bought it up to sell it, to figure out who's actually gonna buy or sell the trade or the stock firm.
All right.
They make the price to go low just to have everybody go in there and be like, "Oh, this price is pretty low. We'll buy that."
All right. So you watch and you trade it.
Should have bought that dip. What do you think, Dad, if I go with sales?
Long.
You think I should go long?
Yeah. And I would wait for it to come back if you lay it down right now, yeah.
You think it's going to keep going up?
Mm-hmm. For a little bit longer, yeah. Can't seem to get a TP on this account. Maybe you could just walk away and try again in an hour. Look at that. Look at that. Nah. He ain't gonna take it. He ain't gonna walk away. I think long. When you think it's short, typically it's long. When you think it's long, it's short.
Typically short.
You know, I mean, Rick. I mean, I would want to trade for short, but I'm gonna say long. I'd vote long. But I would.
You're right. I'll go long.
Oh, he's moving his stop loss. Now, why would you move it to 75? Just because it's a number you want to put it at, or you just...
Number.
Okay.
Just a number.
All right. Oof. Well, it's okay. There's a gap there, so see if it bounces off of it or wants to continue. Let's
see if it can make it up back.
Can it make it past that 55 there?
See if we can go back to 55.
Think for yourself. Still working on a payout in my other PA. This one will be the new PA rules with Apex, unless they are proactive to my current PA. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna play Diablo, slay a few demons while I wait. Stay green, young Padawan.
But just like that, we came back halfway.
Yeah, it could still continue. It could go lower. I mean, that's why we have stop losses. So remember, you put real money into this, and then, yeah, you're seeing bigger numbers than what you put into it. But manage it properly, and you'll be successful. One thing with Lucid Pros is they have a 3-day payout that they moved from 5 to 3. So if you can get it there, they have a minimum of $500 a day on a 50K, and they allow you to take a payout of $2,000 on a 50K. So that's in 3 days. That's significant. So I mean, if you do it right, the buffer is $2,100. So if you want to take a $2,100 payout or a $2,000 payout, then I would certainly shoot for a bigger target on your funded. That's what I would do. I mean, but during regular trading hours, New York time frame, you can get those $1,000 wins with that one mini. If you're trading with 5 micros, you can still get those $1,000 wins with those 100 points. So move. So like again too, Hunter's learning how to go heavy in these accounts real fast. I should have put him on the MNQ right away, but it happens. It happens. Oh boy.
Well, damn. Well, maybe I should have changed my option and went the other way.
Well, see, this is what traders have to learn how to do.
Yeah. Well. So. And see if it goes back up. I doubt it. But in the slight doubt I have, I still have a trade going up.
I thought with that kind of momentum, buyers would want to have caught it and kept going. But, they could want to retest that VWAP area. $18 seconds left on this candle.
This candle sucks.
According to Hunter, this candle sucks. Still a slight pull. Made a higher high, made an equal high there. Oh man, it's reaching for the stop loss. Is this the turnaround? Is this the turnaround where they pinch the 5 and the 9 together and pop right back up, son? I don't know. We'll see.
Well, we can only hope. And I should have gotten in the turnaround, and I believe that is the turnaround. That was the top.
We need to retest that wick quickly.
I don't know. We could come back all the way back down here, and we could then possibly retest that wick, but I'd be losing money while doing it. So I don't think it would have been a reasonable trade to do.
There's a big buyer down there, probably wanting to protect his position.
I'm not trying to lose that much.
Okay. Risk management. Doesn't moved it up a little bit.
What I need is a big shark to be down at the bottom of this, out on the bottom of this, and watch it shoot up. And nope.
We got some buyers coming in. Right there. On the left here. We got some buyers coming through. Right there. Nice little buyer set up there. That we went green on the candle. But you need to close green. But we need to close. Alright, well. Patience is key. Because you could be short right now, and you could be up 360 bucks, and then that whipping candle will bring you right back to break even.
Whap you right back down to 0. That's what happened earlier.
Needs a close up here. We've got 38
And
seconds.
there it goes. Here's all the buyers at the bottom.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Look at that. Just like that. Get out. There we go.
There we go. Here we go. Now we're back up to break a little bit even on this. We need it to close. Close right up here. Close up here. Don't need it to come back. But there is that candle that just brought you back to break even. Now that we're on a steady uprise.
Need to get above 2050 here. 2550. We need to get above that. We need to have that candle close and that push. He's moving his stop loss to higher up. Let's see if we can't get to 55. 55 would put him at roughly 7-8 points on a gain on that. I do believe that it will go higher. If we look at the book map, we can look to see where liquidity is at. He might, while we switch over screens here, we might hit, yeah, we could go right through to 65 there. So I mean, 65 would be up here. What's left of 65? I don't know. Yep, hurry up. It's gonna get you, gonna tag you.
That's fine.
57. So he's looking for,
it can tag me.
10 points.
Looking for 10
roughly.
points, and it looks like it might just hit that.
Ready? His first take profit. You get to watch it live here on YouTube. His first take profit. Let's go.
Let's go.
Can we get to 57.25 and call it a day? We'll be up $235 on his 50K Lucid account. We got about 20 minutes before we hit the top of the hour, so maybe this thing wants to continue up, maybe break through 57. Let's go.
See it.
Why wouldn't you want to go higher, out of curiosity?
Because I believe my take losses haven't been able to go any lower. I mean, if I do move it higher, I would have a chance of it going higher, but then I would have a chance of losing money.
Okay. So we're looking for a run up here. There.
Oh, I would have filled it. But I moved it up.
65 is what I did say. I would definitely do some risk management and
over there, 64. We
We're
can
at
keep it
500.
there. We'll do risk management. See if
there we go. So now it's a free trade, and here we are at 65.
Here we go.
Almost. Come on, his first TP. Let's go.
TP
Let's
at
go.
65 is pretty good.
Let's go. Come on, good game. Come on, reach.
You can reach. You have enough buyers down there. Just reach it. Free trade. No matter the loss.
The most anticipating spot of the market.
Oh,
He's out.
I'm out. Took a profit of $700. That is a great trade.
He had some drawdown on that. He did, and he kind of was flinching there for a minute. You get to rewind that.
Yeah,
Look,
I did.
you know.
I was definitely having a panic attack. Having a little panic attack, but
Panic attack, eh? All right. Well, we're gonna get this stream dialed in. We're gonna have another camera for Hunter. He's gonna be trading live with us in the morning and maybe possibly extended trading hours. Check out Lucid. Apex has their new end of day drawdown, like 80% right now, I believe. And ALEXTWB is the coupon. RMTWB, the coupon for Lucid. Check Lucid out. They got 50% off until April. They extended that for your first 2, and then you have 4 or 5 at 40% off if you haven't used those yet.
I don't know, Dad. Maybe
RMTWB.
it'll turn around right here at 65, and maybe I'll be able to catch that downdrift.
And then for those of you that contributed to PayPal for his graduation, thank you so much. Much appreciated. Do a call out for you guys tomorrow morning for those of you that did. I'm gonna actually call it a day. We're done trading, man. We are up $722.
One day.
We have $3,000 to hit. Tomorrow, the same time, Hunter, can you see yourself trading?
I can see myself trading this again at 5 o'clock.
Taking the trade at 5 o'clock. Join us tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Hunter's going to be live, and we're going to move things over to him for the extended trading hours. And I'll be on in the morning for regular trading hours doing New York. So we'll do a double stream here for him and I. He's going to be trading his. I'm going to be trading mine. And we're going to get this thing on the road. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Ryan Mack is out. I appreciate you going to the show.
Thank you guys for watching, and Hunter Mack is out.
Peace.
Have a good one.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you enjoy the stream?
I did. Thank you for watching.
Same small dream of getting this right. Ay. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. Ryan Mack teaches that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.